Hey there, welcome back to Coding Stuff, and in this video we'll learn how we can delete documents of subcollection and how we can delete this entire document. So as you can see, we have this post collection, and inside that we have this documents, and you can see in each documents we have comment subcollection, like subcollection, and these are the fields of that post. So if we delete this document, so it will only delete these fields. It will not delete the comment subcollection and like subcollection. So to delete the like subcollection, we need to retrieve these documents and we need to delete them one by one. Similarly with the comments, we need to retrieve these documents and we need to delete them. So to delete this document, we need to first delete the comment subcollection, like subcollection, and then we need to delete this entire document. So this is the way we can delete the document. And if we delete all these documents, so the post collection will be deleted. Okay, so this is 13th part of our Instag blog app, and this can be the last part as well. But in future, if this app has some bug, I will make another part to solve that bug. And after this tutorials, more tutorials to come, like project based tutorials like this. And if you want to connect with me, you can follow me on the Instagram, so link will be in the description box. Okay, so we'll jump to our post adapter, and okay, so post adapter, and let me open the main activity and each post. Okay, this layout, and I will require one drawable, so I'll hit on the drawable, new vector set, and this delete one. If you just click on the clip art and search for delete, and you can see this. I have selected this in the gray color, A7, A7, A7. Hit on the next and finish. So in the design, we'll just drag one image button and we'll select this, click on OK, and constrain it to the right side and to the top as well, and we'll provide some margin of 16 dp from both sides, and we'll change the background color of this, so background color, and this will be color white, and we'll set the visibility to invisible and clickable to the false. So we'll change the ID to delete button. So in the post adapter, we'll first collect its ID. So image button, and this will be delete button. So we'll find its ID. Delete button equals to mview.findView by ID r.id.delete button, and in on bind view folder, just after this, let me just minimize all this. Okay, so this is our on bind view folder. So our requirement is only the person who has commented, he can only delete his own comment. So for that we need to check, let me show you, if the current user ID auth.get user get current user dot get your ID, this equals to our post dot get user. Let me show you the post. Here we have stored the user ID, so we'll just retrieve that over here, and we'll check the logged in user is equals to the post dot get user. Okay, so this one, so this should match, and then only we can show him the delete button. So holder dot delete button, set visibility to visible, and holder dot delete button, set clickable to true, and then we'll add on click listener to our delete button. So holder dot delete button dot set on click listener new on click listener. So we'll first display the alert dialog to the user. So alert dialog dot builder alert equals to new alert dialog dot builder, and here will pass in the context, and then alert dot set title, and title will be delete, and then we'll set the message. So message will be are you sure, and then we'll set the negative button. So the message will be no, and we'll pass the null as on click listener, and then we'll set the positive button. So here we'll pass yes, and then we'll pass the dialog interface, sorry, new dialog interface dot on click listener and semicolon, and here we'll just show that alert, so alert dot show. Okay, so first of all we'll just run one query. So FireStore dot collection and post, and we'll pass the document. So document will be post id dot, I will just write here delete, and this will delete this document or any selected document. Okay, so this is not done, like it will just delete the documents fields, but I wanted to show you how it will work and what we want actually. So I'll hit on the run button, and I will open the Google Chrome Cloud FireStore. Okay, so I have deleted all the posts. Just put it over here. So it has been installed, and there is not a single post. So I will hit on this fab button, and I will add one post. So I will click this, hit crop, and let's just name it as awesome, and hit on the add post. So the post has been added successfully, and it has been retrieved as well. So I'll just reload this, and you can see the collection post, and inside that we have this random id and caption, image, time, user, all that stuff. Now I will hit on this like button, and also I will add the comment. So nice pick, hit on add comment, let me add another, hit add comment, and so we have added sub collection, so needs one reload. As you can see, there are two sub collections, like comments and likes. So we have a random id inside the comments as a document, and inside that we have the comment wow and time, user, and as you can see in the likes we just have one like. So now I will just hit on this delete button, just open it over here, and you will see that these fields will be deleted but sub collection will not deleted. So I'll hit on this and click yes. So the id and the fields has been deleted, but still you can access these comments and likes. If I hit reload, so still you can see that post document id, but it is in italic because it is deleted, but still we can access the comments and likes, and their value won't be changed. So we need to delete from comments and the likes sub collection, then only this complete document will be deleted from the post collection. So now we'll just achieve that. So let me just close this, stop this, and before deleting this post we'll delete the sub collections document. So FireStore dot collection, and we'll pass in the posts slash plus post id plus comments dot get, and then we'll add on complete listener. So new on complete listener. So here we'll just run one for each loop. So this will be query document snapshot task dot get results, and then inside this we'll run another FireStore query to delete all these documents. Post slash plus post id and the subcollection comments, and then we'll write document to delete each item, to delete each document, and here we'll pass the snapshot dot get id and then dot delete. So this will delete all the documents. We are running for loop, so it will iterate through all the documents and it will just delete all of that. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. So this will be likes, and again this will be likes as well. Okay, so this will delete these two sub collection inside this comments and likes. So we'll just hit on the run button and we'll check it's working or not. So right now you can't see any post because this post has been deleted. So we'll add another post. So let me just add this one. I think this is Japan, so hit on add post. So this has been added, this one, and I will hit on this likes, and also I'll add one comment. Okay, so let me just reload this. Put it over here. Okay, so now you can see we have sub collection comments, likes, and this all the fields. So now I'll just hit on this delete alert dialog and I'll click on the yes. So as you can see, this documents has been deleted one by one. So our comments collection is empty and likes sub collection is empty. So if I hit reload, you won't see that document over here. So here's only one document ID that have sub collection comments and like. Before we have deleted it, but the sub collection are not deleted. But now you can see we have deleted one post and its ID and all the sub collection has been deleted. So this is working fine, but what we need to do, it is not clear from here. So what we'll do, just after this, we call our list, so mlist and dot remove, and we'll pass in the position, and then we'll notify the adapter dataset change. So let's just add another post and we'll see. Let's just add this sky and I'll hit on the add post. Let me just like this and I'll hit on the add comment. So it has now comment, and so now it has two sub collections. So this one, comments and likes. Now we'll just check for the likes. So if I delete this post, so you can see all the documents has been deleted, and inside the post we just left off with this ID. Okay, and so there is one bug in our app, like if I hit on this menu and sign out, so our app crashes. So the reason behind that is this line. Okay, So we have added the snapshot listener and we have not passed in the context. So let me just pass in the activity. So comments activity dot this. So if the user will log out and this query will be still running, so it can crash your app. So that's what happened with us. So now this will fix. So let me just click on the run button again. So let me just log in first. So now if I hit on this sign out, our app will not crash. Okay, so this is working fine. So in this video we have learned how to delete sub collections document, and that will be end of this tutorial series. Okay, so this app is not perfect app or production level app. It still require lots of improvements, but we won't do that. So this is basically for the beginners. If anybody wants to explore Firebase services like FireStore, storage and authentication in one app, so this is app for them. And I guess you learn a lot from this tutorial series. So uh, the perfect or the production level app will come out soon. It will based on the MVVM architecture and it will out soon. So do subscribe for that tutorial for all the upcoming tutorials to come, and thank you for watching.